Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn on location service for this device on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn on location service for Windows 10 computer, click on Start menu, click on gear icon. For settings, click on privacy. Here in left pane you will find location. Click on location, and by default location for this device is turned off. Just click on change icon here, and now location access for this device is turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Now location service is turned on for this device. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.